This logistics label printing production machine built for efficient one-shot molding. Equipped with a non-stop unwind/rewind system, roll changes occur without downtime, maintaining peak productivity. 2 Flexo units die cutting. Print and cut in one pass. The folding unit and automatic small roll rewinding unit interface flawlessly. Supporting both finished product formats, folded stacks and rewound small rolls. No secondary processing required. From raw material to finished label. The entire process is completed in one pass. Max 150 m/min. Delivering stable high output and confidently handling high volume orders. Integrating non-stop roll changing, flexo printing, die cutting, folding, and small roll rewinding into one system. Saves steps, labor, space. Achieving one pass forming for logistics label production.